In this video, I will show you how to change App Store country to United States. So the first step is to open the App Store, and then we just have to tap on our profile picture in the top right corner. Now once we get here, what we're gonna have to do is simply tap on our iCloud account, and then from here, what we're gonna have to do next is simply tap on country and region, and then from here we just have to search for United States. So let's search for United States and tap on that. Now the next step is to tap on continue, and then from here we just have to agree, and then add payment method, just select none. And now we have the most important thing is billing address. So for this, we're gonna have to open any browser, and you can search as an example New York McDonald's, and then from here we just have to simply choose one. So let's take this one. So let's click on show more details, and as you can see we have the address here, so we can copy this address. So let's go back to the App Store, and then from here we just have to type in the same exact address, Broadway. Then from here we just have to enter the city, New York. Let's select the state, so we just have to scroll down until we find New York. Then from zip we just have to copy it, so it's 10038. Now for phone number we can use the same from here, so we can simply type in the phone number that we find here. So after that we should be good to go. Now after we enter all the details, simply tap on done, and now we just have to wait a few seconds, and basically that's all we have to do in order to change our App Store country to United States. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.